Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to put on LipSense. LipSense is a lipstick unlike any other. It is different than anything you're going to find in a drugstore or department store. And because of that, it's a little bit different to put on. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. If you put on LipSense the correct way, you will have long-lasting smudge-proof lip color from anywhere from 4 to 18 hours, which is amazing. And you'll be able to do this. It won't come off on your cups or anything else, but you have to put it on in a special way. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Let's get started. All right, the first thing to do is start with clean, dry lips. I like to take a damp washcloth and just make sure that I don't have any color correcting tinted moisturizer or foundation on my lips from when I applied my makeup. Next up, select your LipSense color. Today I've picked Dahlia. Make sure to shake it up real well so that all of the pigments are well mixed. This is extremely important, especially if you haven't worn your color in a while. Next up, open up the tube and try to scrape off as much of the product as possible. The key to a great LipSense application is 3 thin layers, so definitely take off some of that product. Next up, start with your first layer. I like to start with my top lip and do one side and then the other, making sure to get the corners. And then do one sweeping motion on the bottom. Don't worry if you don't have an even application yet. This is the first of 3, so we will even it out. Next up, I'll do my second layer. I've already got some more product on my wand, and then I start in the middle of my lip, doing one side, getting the corner, and then doing the other side. And then I will do one sweeping motion for my bottom lip. I always make sure to let my LipSense dry for a few seconds in between my applications. And then I'll go in for my third layer. Start in the middle, I'll do one side, and then I'll do the other, and then I will do one sweeping motion for the bottom lip. Now here I'm done with my 3 main layers, and I'm just gonna go in and do a couple of quick touch-ups on any areas that I didn't catch fully, making sure to just go in one direction, not back and forth with the wand, and using very, very light layers again. Here I'm just touching up the bottom a little bit, making sure to not go back and forth with the wand and just do very light touch-ups. If you go back and forth with the wand, you will pick up the color and you'll have to either fix it or start over. Next, I'm going to put the gloss on. I'm going to make sure that my lips feel dry. The LipSense without gloss will feel a little bit tacky, but it should not come off on your finger. Once my lips are dry, I'm going to go in with my Glossy Gloss. I always recommend using Glossy Gloss on any lip color, just because it's the most moisturizing and it's going to seal in your color the best for the longest wear. As you can see now, I can go back and forth with the wand and none of the lipstick is coming off. Now you can rub your lips together, and if you think that the Glossy Gloss is a little bit too glossy and shiny for you, don't worry. Go ahead and just rub it in a little bit with your finger. Watch out for your hair. And the gloss will get a little bit less shiny. And there you have it. Now, if you want to use a specialty gloss, like a glitter gloss or a different color, I recommend putting that on top of your Glossy Gloss. Like I said, the Glossy Gloss is the most moisturizing and it seals in the color the best, but we have a lot of fun sparkle glosses like this Diamond Kiss Gloss. And if you want to add that in, just go ahead and put it on right over your Glossy Gloss. Thanks for watching.